GE Profile Smart Washer, Dryer Combo. Time-saving, space-saving, high-efficiency laundry beast. The GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS 28-inch Smart Front Load Washer, Dryer Combo is here to revolutionize your laundry game. With its 4.8 cubic feet capacity and 2-in-1 design, this combo allows you to wash and dry large loads, like that pesky king-size comforter, without needing two separate machines. And the best part? It does it all in about 2 hours, saving you precious time and space. Whether you're living in a compact apartment or just want to streamline your laundry routine, this machine is a must-have for a more efficient, modern home. Gone are the days of transferring clothes from the washer to the dryer. With the GE Profile Washer, Dryer Combo, you get a hassle-free laundry experience. This all-in-one system allows you to wash and dry your clothes, activewear, and delicates, yes, even denim, without ever needing to hang anything out to dry. Its high airflow ventless drying system uses a gentle, recirculated airflow that doesn't require venting, making it perfect for small spaces while still delivering superior results. It's time to kick laundry day struggles to the curb. Not only does the GE Profile Combo save you time, but it also saves you energy. Thanks to the ventless heat pump technology, this washer, dryer combo is 50% more energy efficient during the drying process compared to traditional models. With its eco-friendly design and Energy Star certification, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint while saving on your energy bills. Plus, the built-in intelligent dispenser makes sure you're using the right amount of detergent and softener, so you never waste a drop. This washer, dryer combo takes the smart and smart home to the next level. With the Smart HQ app, you can control your laundry from anywhere, whether you're at work or relaxing on the couch. The app allows you to select detergents, download specialty cycles, track cycle status, and even initiate updates. Imagine being notified when your laundry is done, or adjusting settings for a delicate cycle while you're out and about. Laundry is officially part of the future. Built to last, the GE Profile Washer, Dryer Combo features a sleek, modern design with quality construction that ensures durability for years to come. This powerhouse combo comes with 12 wash cycles, 14 drying cycles, and an exclusive, easy-to-reach lint filter system to ensure peak performance. Plus, with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, 10-year limited motor warranty, and a 5-year limited sealed drying system warranty, you can trust that this combo will keep your laundry routine running smoothly for the long haul. In short, the GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS washer, dryer combo is the laundry solution you never knew you needed. Fast, efficient, and full of smart features, this is more than just a washer, dryer, it's the future of laundry.